Today we are going to look at the ah sound. Ah. Today we are going to look at the ah sound. We're going to look at some words. We're going to read some sentences. Are you ready? Say with me. My uncle looked under the bus. My uncle looked under the bus. I put a cup of nuts in a jug. I put a cup of nuts in a jug. Do you see the words in red? They have the ah sound in them. Let's read again. My uncle looked under the bus. Now you read. My uncle looked under the bus. I put a cup of nuts in a jug. You read. I put a cup of nuts in a jug. Good. Let's look at the ah letter. Can you see it's got a nice roundabout formation? You go around, and then as you go around, you come down. It has a little stick on the side. That's the capital A. The small a is exactly the same. It's just smaller. There's your other A. A for umbrella, up. And the A is in the middle of this word. Bus. Umbrella, up. Bus. Say it for me. Umbrella, up. Bus. Good. This is how the A letter looks if you write it. You need a piece of paper and practice your letter formation. Look at the picture and read the words. The words are a little bit muddled up. You need to match the words with the picture. The first picture is a picture of a hut. This one is run. This one is cup. This one is jug. This one is nut. And this one is sun. Let's match the picture with the words. Hut. Oh, the first word is nut. So let's see if we can match the word nut. Where's the picture? There we go. The next one is jug. Can we find the picture? There we go. The next one is run. Can you find the picture? Run. Cup. Find the picture. There we go. Hut. And the last one is sun. There we go. Can we read the words quickly? Nut, jug, run, cup, hut, sun. They all have a in the middle. Can you see? Nut. You say the word nut. Jug, jug. Run, run. Cup, hut, hut. Sun. Good. Let's go to the next one. Look at the pictures and say which words have the ah sound. It doesn't necessarily have to start or begin with the ah sound. We must just hear ah in the word. Butterfly. Do you hear ah? There we go. Butterfly. Another one. Drum. There you go. Brush. There you go. So what are the words? Butterfly, drum, brush. Can we find some more words? Sun, bus, duck. There are the other words. Can we say it again? Sun, bus, duck. Are there more words? Big one. Umbrella. Bucket. I wonder if you can remember all of them. What is this one? Butterfly. This one. Drum. This one. Brush. This one. Bus. This one. Sun. We've just done this one. Umbrella. And this one. Bucket. And we have one more in the corner. Duck. Good. Look at the pictures and say the words that do not have the sound. Which one doesn't have the sound? Do not have the sound. It's the one we haven't said at all. Cake. No sound in that word. Can we say the others again quickly? Starting here. Butterfly. Drum. Bus. Brush. Sun. Bucket. Duck. Umbrella. And the one that doesn't have the sound is cake. Good. For more information of the short sound, please go to the following website. Write down as many words as you can remember that has the sound. I hope you enjoyed my lesson today, boys and girls. Till next time, goodbye.